Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can get more Rune Pages in League of Legends. Okay, so we have to open this shop, then move for accessories and go for the left side for the Rune Pages. As you can see in this place, we can get them for Riot Points and the blue essence. Then click on it once, select one of the payment method, and after that, when you buy this Rune Page, you have to go for my collection, go for runs, and right here you can create a lot of Rune Pages. For example, this one, let's quickly attach it. Never mind. Just do this one more time, then click save to confirm. And as you can see, that's additional Rune Page. And in this place you can find how many Rune Pages you have. And that's total Rune Pages that you can attach right here. So I can get 19 Rune Pages, but I have only 2 created. And that's all. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.